Step into the world of AHS Elite Club. Introducing the Elite Club by Advanced Hair Studio, where excellence meets transformation. Designed exclusively for our valued clients, the Elite Club redefines hair care with unmatched quality, exceptional value, and premium benefit. Curious to know more? Let's dive into the amazing benefits of the Elite Club and see how it can transform your hair journey. With the Elite Club, enjoy unbeatable pricing and premium benefits. Get 3 skins in 12 months. Get unlimited refusions. Get unlimited hair grooming services. Get special discount on all the products and services. Get special discount on all advanced aesthetica procedures. And all of the above is available in easy installments of 18,000 rupees per month with 12 easy EMI option. Truly, this is the most worthwhile package and the best deal to grab in a decade. Regular skin replacements every 120 days ensure your hair maintains perfect texture, color, thickness, and bounce. Join the most elite group of people who trust us for their flawless look. Experience luxury with virgin human high-quality hair, premium lounges, separate private styling rooms, and complimentary refreshments. Access our premium studios in 10 key cities like Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Mumbai, Surat, Ahmedabad, Delhi, Gurgaon, Ludhiana. Ensuring convenience and confidentiality for all our elite clients. The Elite Club isn't just a membership. It's your gateway to confidence, style, and self-expression. With exclusive benefits and the best value offer, you can now enjoy 3 skins worth 3,15,000 rupees, unlimited refusions and hair grooming sessions of 1,25,000 rupees plus, special discount on products and services, special discounts available on advanced aesthetica. All these premium benefits with a value worth of 4,50,000 rupees can now be availed at just 2,16,000 rupees with a hassle-free payment plan of 18,000 rupees per month, spread over 12 months. For our VVIP and celebrity clients, we offer an exclusive membership with added privileges such as home refusions for ultimate convenience, global refusions and fittings to ensure you look your best wherever you are, complimentary products and premium services. To learn more about our VVIP and celebrity memberships, visit our studio and discover the elite experience waiting for you. Join the Elite Club today and experience premium hair care like never before. Transform your hair, transform your life.